Hey guys, what's up? It's Leo O's. Let me tell you what I'm working on, right? For the last 7 months, I've been working on my 2001 Chevy Blazer, right? I changed everything but the kitchen sink. And if it had a kitchen sink, I think I would have changed that too. Okay, so I went all the way through and I changed distributor, fuel pump regulator, and this is where I'm at right now with the spider. I changed the spider, right? I changed the spider. I thought I did because I left somebody to do it for me, and all they did was change the regulator that sits in the back. They didn't even change the whole spider. So I was looking at the injectors. One of them was bent when he put this back. See it? It was bent. But knowing me, I went, took everything back out, right? I changed the last one, which was the one that was bent because the car was saying the engine misfire. So that was the problem. So now, after several months of just playing with this car, this truck, I'm about to put everything back and see where I'm at. Also, I changed, I did the 10 Omni thing with the security system. I did that. And she started up, but it started giving me problems. So I think I'm just going to do this right now, and I'll let you know when we get it running, if it runs. But yeah, if anybody have any questions, whatever, just holler at me, all right? Later.